The 1996 National Electrical Code, or NEC, did not contain a specific requirement for the swing direction of doors in electrical equipment rooms. However, the commentary to Section 110.26 C2 stated that doors should swing in the direction of egress to minimize the risk of injury to personnel in the event of an emergency. In the case of a high-rise building, the commentary to Section 110.26 C2 in the 96 NEC is still relevant and should be considered. Opening doors in the direction of egress is important for several reasons. Firstly, egress safety. In an emergency, individuals need to be able to evacuate the gear room quickly and safely. Opening doors in the direction of egress allows for unobstructed movement out of the room. Secondly, injury prevention. Swinging doors inward can cause injuries if they hit personnel working in the gear room. This is especially important in high-rise buildings where space is often limited. Thirdly, equipment damage. Swinging doors outward could damage electrical equipment or other items in the gear room. Based on the commentary to Section 110.26 C2 in the 96 NEC and the safety considerations for high-rise buildings, it is recommended that the doors in the main gear room swing in the direction of egress. This will help ensure the safety of personnel and minimize the risk of injury or damage in the event of an emergency. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards that govern the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment. It is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest technological advancements and safety practices. While the 1996 NEC did not explicitly mandate outward swinging doors in electrical rooms, the commentary provided valuable guidance on prioritizing safety. This guidance emphasized the importance of minimizing risks to personnel, particularly in emergency situations. In high-rise buildings, where space constraints and the potential for rapid evacuation are significant factors, the direction of door swing becomes even more critical. Inward swinging doors can obstruct pathways, impede quick exits, and pose a hazard to individuals working within the room. The potential for injury increases when doors swing inward, especially if they collide with personnel or equipment. Outward swinging doors, on the other hand, facilitate a smoother and more efficient evacuation process. They allow individuals to exit the room without obstruction, reducing the risk of bottlenecks and potential injuries. Furthermore, outward swinging doors minimize the likelihood of damage to electrical equipment or other items within the room. It's important to note that while the 1996 NEC commentary provides a strong recommendation for outward swinging doors, it does not carry the same weight as a mandatory code requirement. However, adhering to the commentary demonstrates a commitment to safety and aligns with industry best practices. When evaluating the door swing direction in an electrical room, several factors should be considered. Firstly, the size of the room. Smaller rooms may benefit more from outward swinging doors to maximize usable space and prevent obstructions. Secondly, the number of occupants. Rooms with a higher density of personnel should prioritize outward swing doors to facilitate efficient egress. Thirdly, the presence of equipment. The layout and placement of electrical equipment should be carefully considered to ensure that outward swinging doors do not pose a risk of damage. Fourthly, local regulations. It's essential to consult local building codes and regulations to ensure compliance with all applicable requirements. In addition to the NEC commentary, other resources can provide further guidance on door swing direction in electrical rooms. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, offers standards and guidelines related to fire safety and egress. These resources can help inform decision-making and ensure that the chosen door swing direction aligns with overall safety objectives. Ultimately, the decision of whether to install outward swinging doors in an electrical room should be based on a comprehensive assessment of the specific circumstances and a commitment to prioritizing safety. While the 1996 NEC commentary provides valuable guidance, it's essential to consider all relevant factors and consult with qualified professionals to make an informed decision. It's also worth noting that subsequent editions of the NEC have incorporated more explicit requirements regarding door swing direction in electrical rooms. These updates reflect the growing recognition of the importance of egress safety and the need to minimize risks to personnel. Staying up to date with the latest NEC requirements is crucial for ensuring compliance and maintaining a safe working environment. In summary, while the 1996 NEC did not mandate outward swinging doors in electrical rooms, the commentary strongly recommended this practice to minimize the risk of injury and facilitate safe egress. In high-rise buildings, where space constraints and evacuation concerns are paramount, the benefits of outward swinging doors are even more pronounced. By prioritizing safety and adhering to industry best practices, electrical professionals can create a safer and more efficient working environment. The importance of proper door swing direction in electrical rooms cannot be overstated. It is a critical aspect of electrical safety that directly impacts the well-being of personnel and the integrity of equipment. By understanding the principles behind the NEC commentary and considering the specific circumstances of each installation, electrical professionals can make informed decisions that prioritize safety and minimize risks. Furthermore, regular inspections and maintenance of doors in electrical rooms are essential to ensure that they function properly and do not pose a hazard. Doors should be inspected for damage, obstructions, and proper operation. Any issues should be addressed promptly to maintain a safe and reliable electrical system. In conclusion, the 1996 NEC commentary on door swing direction in electrical rooms provides valuable guidance on prioritizing safety and minimizing risks. By understanding the principles behind the commentary and considering the specific circumstances of each installation, electrical professionals can create a safer and more efficient working environment. Regular inspections and maintenance of doors are also essential to ensure that they function properly and do not pose a hazard. Staying informed about the latest NEC requirements and industry best practices is crucial for maintaining a safer and compliant electrical system. It is important to emphasize that the information provided here is for general guidance only and should not be considered a substitute for professional advice. Electrical installation should always be performed by qualified professionals who are familiar with the applicable codes and regulations. Consulting with a licensed electrical engineer or inspector can help ensure that all safety requirements are met and that the installation is performed in accordance with industry best practices. This proactive approach to safety can help prevent accidents, injuries, and equipment damage. It also demonstrates a commitment to responsible electrical practices and a dedication to protecting the well-being of personnel. The ongoing evolution of the NEC reflects the continuous efforts to improve electrical safety and address emerging challenges. By staying informed about these advancements and incorporating them into their work, electrical professionals can contribute to a safer and more reliable electrical infrastructure. The ultimate goal is to create an environment where electricity can be used safely and efficiently without compromising the health and well-being of individuals or the integrity of equipment. The principles discussed here extend beyond the specific context of door swing direction in electrical rooms. They represent a broader commitment to safety, quality, and professionalism in all aspects of electrical work. By adhering to these principles, electrical professionals can build trust with their clients, protect the public, and contribute to a more sustainable and resilient electrical system. The importance of continuous learning and professional development cannot be overstated. Electrical technology is constantly evolving, and it is essential for professionals to stay up to date with the latest advancements and best practices. Participating in training programs, attending industry conferences, and engaging with professional organizations can help professionals expand their knowledge, enhance their skills, and maintain their competence. This commitment to lifelong learning is a hallmark of a true professional and a key ingredient for success in the electrical industry. The information presented should be utilized as a tool to enhance understanding and awareness of electrical safety principles. It is intended to supplement, not replace, formal training and professional guidance. Always consult with qualified professionals before making any decisions or taking any actions related to electrical installations. By working together and prioritizing safety, we can create a safer and more reliable electrical environment for all. This commitment to safety is not just a legal or regulatory requirement, but a moral obligation. It is our responsibility to protect the well-being of individuals and the integrity of equipment by adhering to the highest standards of electrical practice. By embracing this responsibility, we can create a culture of safety that permeates every aspect of the electrical industry. The NEC serves as a cornerstone of electrical safety, providing a comprehensive framework for the safe installation and operation of electrical systems. However, it is important to remember that the NEC is not a substitute for sound engineering judgment and professional expertise. The electrical professionals must use their knowledge and experience to apply the NEC requirements in a practical and effective manner. This requires a deep understanding of electrical principles, a keen awareness of potential hazards, and a commitment to prioritizing safety above all else. The information provided here is intended to serve as a starting point for further exploration and learning. It is not an exhaustive treatment of the subject matter, but rather an introduction to the key concepts and principles related to door swing direction in electrical rooms. Readers are encouraged to consult with qualified professionals and to refer to the latest edition of the NEC for more detailed information and guidance. This proactive approach to learning and professional development will help ensure that electrical professionals are equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to perform their job safely and effectively. The electrical industry plays a vital role in modern society, providing the power and infrastructure that supports our homes, businesses, and communities. With this responsibility comes a profound obligation to ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems. By embracing the principles of safety, quality, and professionalism, electrical professionals can contribute to a brighter and more sustainable future. The NEC is a living document that is constantly evolving to reflect the latest technological advancements and safety practices. It is essential for electrical professionals to stay informed about these changes and to incorporate them into their work. This requires a commitment to continuous learning and a willingness to adapt to new challenges and opportunities. By embracing change and staying at the forefront of the electrical industry, professionals can ensure that they are providing the safest and most reliable electrical services possible. The principles discussed here are not limited to the specific context of door swing direction in electrical rooms. They apply to all aspects of electrical work, from design and installation to maintenance and repair. By embracing these principles in every task they perform, electrical professionals can create a culture of safety that extends throughout the entire electrical industry. The commitment to safety is not just a one-time event, but an ongoing process that requires constant vigilance and attention to detail. Electrical professionals must be proactive in identifying potential hazards and taking steps to mitigate them. This requires a thorough understanding of electrical principles, a keen awareness of the working environment, and a willingness to speak up when safety concerns arise. By fostering a culture of open communication and collaboration, electrical professionals can create a safer and more productive work environment for everyone. The electrical industry is a complex and challenging field that requires a high level of skill, knowledge, and dedication. By embracing the principles of safety, quality, and professionalism, electrical professionals can make a significant contribution to society and ensure the safe and reliable delivery of electricity to our homes, businesses, and communities. The information presented is to enhance the understanding of electrical safety principles and should not replace the guidance of qualified professionals.